They finally did it. The man who literally invented the technology behind modern AI just issued his most terrifying warning yet. Geoffrey Hinton, the Godfather of AI, the man who won the Nobel Prize for creating the neural networks that power ChatGPT, Claude, and every AI tool you've ever used, just said something on live television that should keep every working person up at night. Elon Musk will get richer, and a lot of people will get unemployed, and he won't care. By the end of this video, you'll understand why one of the world's most respected scientists believes we might need a Chernobyl-level disaster before we wake up to what's already happening. This isn't science fiction. This is November 2025. Here's why this matters right now. Since January 2025, 77,999 tech workers have lost their jobs, and AI is directly responsible. That's 491 people. Every single day. Amazon just announced 14,000 corporate job cuts. Microsoft, Meta, IBM, the layoffs keep coming. And here's what nobody's saying out loud. This isn't about economic downturns anymore. It's about replacement. The companies building AI aren't just cutting costs. They're betting everything on a future where machines do the work and humans don't. Last week, Geoffrey Hinton sat down for an interview with Bloomberg Television's Wall Street Week. And he didn't hold back. "I believe that to make money from AI, you're going to have to replace human labor," he said. Now, pause for a second. This is the man who built the technology. He's not some fearmonger or conspiracy theorist. He's literally the reason deep learning exists, and he's telling us the quiet part out loud. The four biggest AI companies, Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, and Amazon, are planning to boost their AI spending from $360 billion this year to $420 billion next year. That's $420 billion. OpenAI alone just announced $1 trillion, with a T, in infrastructure deals. When the interviewer asked Hinton if these massive investments could pay off without destroying jobs, his answer was chilling. "I believe that it can't." So here's how this actually works, and why it's so dangerous. Think of it like this. Every company has one goal: maximize profit. And the fastest way to do that? Cut the most expensive line item on the balance sheet, which is almost always labor. AI gives them the perfect tool. A human customer service agent costs maybe $40,000 a year. An AI chatbot, a few cents per conversation. A human paralegal bills $100 an hour. An AI legal assistant works 24/7 for the price of a subscription. The obvious way to make money out of it, apart from charging fees to use the chatbots, is by replacing jobs, Hinton explained. But here's where it gets worse. In the past, when technology disrupted jobs, like when ATMs replaced bank tellers, or when factories automated assembly lines, workers could retrain and move to different industries. Customer service, call centers, data entry, those were the safety nets. But now, those jobs are disappearing too. If you got unemployed because you used to dig ditches, you could get a job in a call center, Hinton said. But now those jobs are all going to go. It's not clear where those people go. Some economists say these big changes always create new jobs. Hinton's response? "It's not clear to me that this will..." Let me show you the receipts. October 2025. Amazon announces 14,000 layoffs. The official reason? Culture. The real reason? In an internal memo, CEO Andy Jassy wrote that AI would help the company get efficiency gains across the organization. Translation: we don't need you anymore. 30% of US companies have already replaced workers with AI tools like ChatGPT. By the end of this year, that number is expected to hit 38%. And job openings? They've dropped 30% since ChatGPT launched. Entry-level positions are vanishing. Now here's the part that should terrify you. Hinton once made a bold prediction back in 2016. He said, "People should stop training radiologists now. Deep learning is going to do better than radiologists within 5 years." The radiology community panicked. Medical students avoided the field. Headlines declared the end of an era. But 9 years later, radiologists are thriving. The workforce is growing. Mayo Clinic's radiology department expanded by 55%. The American College of Radiology predicts 26% growth through 2055. Hinton himself admitted he was wrong. Wrong about the timing, wrong about the scope. So, was he wrong about this prediction too? Maybe. But here's the difference. Back then, AI could only analyze images. Today, AI can write, code, design, strategize, and make decisions. The scope has changed. The problem is not ultimately due to AI itself, Hinton said. It's due to how we structure our society and our economy. And that's the part everyone's missing. This isn't about whether AI can replace jobs. It's about who benefits when it does. Musk will get richer, and a lot of people will get unemployed, and Musk won't care, Hinton said. I'm using Musk as a sort of stand-in. He's not attacking Musk specifically. He's pointing to a system where the rewards of AI flow upward, while the consequences flow down. When asked if he'd stop AI development altogether if he could, Hinton hesitated. I don't know, he said. It's not like nuclear weapons, which are only good for bad things. It can do tremendous good in healthcare and education, but the reason it's bad is because of the way society's organized. Hinton even used a haunting comparison. He said humanity might need a Chernobyl moment, a catastrophic wake-up call, before we take the dangers of uncontrolled AI seriously. The 1986 Chernobyl disaster killed dozens and spread radiation across continents. He's saying we might need something that bad before we act. So what's the solution? Hinton suggests universal basic income, stronger labor protections, and rethinking how society values work in an AI-driven economy. He also proposed a radical metaphor for coexistence with superintelligent AI, the baby and the mother. Is there any model where a less intelligent thing controls a more intelligent thing? He asked. We have one model, a baby controlling a mother. Evolution has put lots of work into allowing the baby to control the mother. We have to accept that we're the babies and they're the mothers. That's a lot to unpack. But here's what's clear. The global AI race is accelerating. The US is still ahead of China, but not by much. And the companies driving this aren't slowing down because their competitors won't either. There's some ego involved, Hinton said. They want to be the ones to do it first, even if it's going to kill us all. The question isn't whether AI will reshape the workforce, it's whether we'll reshape society and before it's too late. So where does that leave us? Geoffrey Hinton, the man who built the foundations of modern AI, is warning us that the danger isn't the technology itself. It's how we're choosing to use it. The companies betting billions on AI aren't betting on a better future for everyone. They're betting on replacement. And unless we change the rules of the game, millions will pay the price. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.